Professional video cameras and stabilized OIS lenses always deliver the best video quality. But if you have a great smartphone that has got an amazing camera and want to thrive in smartphone cinematography in a significant level, then the smartphone alone is just not enough. What you'll need is a great smartphone gimbal. And there are thousands of options to choose from. But just to make your research more convenient, we're about to show you the best 5 smartphone gimbals that can be purchased in 2020.
Hi-Tech delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts here. We try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers to know what is the best choice for you. Watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Blend in the perfect smoothness you always desired with the Cinepeer C11, the perfect 3-axis gimbal that you can get for your smartphone in an affordable price range. Weighing only 440 grams, Cinepeer C11 smartphone gimbal is 107 gram lighter than Smooth 4, but can load devices up to 200 gram without breaking a sweat. With a 3-axis stabilization system that effectively reduces shaky footage, it delivers a smooth, seamless image for mobile videography. Tailored for storytellers and vloggers, the Cinepeer C11 offers landscape and portrait mode for different angles. Inbuilt cinematic features, dolly zoom, object tracking, panorama, time-lapse, motion-lapse, and hyperlapse help you present a professional movie. Add an extra touch of cinematic style to your footage thanks to the zoom slider that allows for customizable speed, enabling you to recreate the famous Hitchcock shot, also known as the vertigo effect, with your mobile devices. It comes with the ZY Play app and supports parameters, adjustments, stabilizer manipulation, and various shooting functions. You can share your videos while on the move. Made from high-quality ABS shell material, it comes with an ergonomic grip that fits your hand perfectly and helps you create your works without limitations. Packed with a powerhouse 4000 mAh battery, the C11 can run for up to 12 hours in a row while keeping your phone charged. The C11 is an entry-level smartphone stabilizer with sophisticated features and design that lets you explore unlimited possibilities with your smartphone. A more advanced follow-up to the G6 Plus. The G6 Max from Feiyutech combines powerful motors with ergonomics to elevate your smartphone video making experience. Packed with powerful brushless motors, it offers 3-axis stabilization with a lock feature for smooth videography and can handle a maximum payload of up to 2.6 pounds without any hassle. It comes with multifunctional magic focus ring with improved sensitivity, which puts you on full control of zoom, focus, 3-axis rotation, and adjustment of parameters such as ISO, WB, and exposure value. With its built-in OLED screen, it shows the gimbal's current status in real time to make your shooting efficient. You can also connect it with Feiyu on app via Wi-Fi and unlock a variety of presets with shooting modes to enhance your smartphone videography. Equipped with a 2200 mAh battery, the G6 Max lasts for 9 hours and supports reverse charging to keep your smartphone charged. Made out of aluminum, the gimbal is splash-proof, which enables you to use it in wet conditions, while its compact size unlocks excellent portability. The Feiyutech G6 Max combines innovative technology with powerful motors to enhance your smartphone video making experience. Unleash your filmmaking creativity with Zhiyun SmoothX, the perfect combination of selfie stick and stabilizer that you can get just around $69. Awesome, right? Featuring 260mm expandable stick, the SmoothX always gives you a perfect shot angle when live streaming and vlogging. while its 2-axis stabilizer keeps your precious footage smooth and stable. Enjoy hands-free filmmaking as you can control it with V gesture. You can also double-click the M button to quickly switch between portrait and landscape mode to ensure you never miss a moment. Its zoom slider enables you to capture objects in great detail to enhance your filmmaking. With built-in Bluetooth 5, you can easily pair it with the ZY Cami app, which lets you do intelligent tracking, time-lapse, slow-mo, and panorama to unleash your creativity. The all-new Smart Mode offers an ocean of built-in templates integrated with customized movements, music, and other special effects. It also unlocks Smart Tracking, which accurately recognizes faces and objects to shoot smoothly while keeping them in the frame. Weighing only 246 grams, the SmoothX whole new rotatable folding design allows you to toss the phone tripod in a backpack conveniently and experience flexibility at your palm. Packed with a powerhouse 1000 mAh battery, it can operate up to 4 hours non-stop to ensure you never miss a moment. The Xion SmoothX is a must-have for any on-the-go content creator who always thrives on making every shot perfect. Get to know about the FreeFly Movi, a ready-for-anything smartphone stabilizer designed to turn your own smartphone into a powerful storytelling tool. Movi smooths out the bumps and shakes of a handheld video so efficiently, making you capture all the best moments of your life in the highest quality of video. Take it or not, Movi is really flexible. You can use portrait, landscape, or selfie shooting mode to create and tell your story, and its unique shape allows you to set it down anywhere or use the 1/4 man for your tripod, dashboard, or selfie stick. You can pair the gimbal with the Movi app for pro-level shooting methods and intelligent shooting options including Majestic, Eco, Time-Lapse, Smart Pod, and more. You can also shoot in portrait, landscape, or selfie mode and optimize every single shot with customizable settings. The FreeFly Movi is strong, lightweight, and durable, while being compatible with iPhones running iOS 11 or higher and most Android devices, and its long-lasting batteries are ready to provide you with a straight 8 hours of mobile filmmaking. Unleash the true cinematic potential of your smartphone with the Firefly Movi, a phenomenal smartphone gimbal that will totally uplift the quality of your cinematography in a significant level. DJI is global leader in civilian drones, aerial imaging technology, and creative camera technology, who are dedicated to manufacturing of aerial photography and filmmaking equipment. Now meet the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, an update to its smartphone gimbal lineup. This is a 3-axis stabilized gimbal that features brushless motors, which in terms of the perfect shots provide smooth, real-time responses to eliminate unwanted camera movements. The Osmo Mobile 3 features a variety of functions like gesture control, dolly zoom, panoramas, slow motion, or time-lapse, including hyperlapse, sport mode, and many other features, allowing you to vlog and shoot content throughout the day. Weighing just around 405 grams, this smartphone gimbal is portable, lightweight, and incredibly convenient, and it's compatible with the DJI Mimo app that requires iOS 10 or Android 7 or above. Featuring a new foldable design, loads of new functions, the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 smartphone stabilizer is a must-have handheld gimbal for content creators or any enthusiast. So that sums up our video for today. If you like this video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to this channel if you want to see more videos from us, and press the bell icon to get notified for our next video.